It's not the easiest track to pass on. There's only one or two spots where you can really outpower someone. So if you're Harrison right now, this is a great ride. I know boss man Mitch Payton's got to be pumped with this. Always frustrating for a team when you lose most of your riders through injury. So that's always been a part of motocross, and for some reason this feels like it's happened to that pro circuit team of late more often than not, and things just go in weird cycles. But
Alex down to the inside on Mitchell Harrison, gonna try to make it work. Now he's gonna double off of this. Nope, there was no room, and Harrison able to squeeze it.